If you've ever wondered whether you can find your x.com or Twitter username and password, this video is for you. I'm going to show you the safe and simple way to find your username inside X and how to check whether your password was saved in your browser. Just a quick note before we begin. I can't help with hacking into an account or finding someone else's login details. This tutorial is only for your own account and your own saved passwords. If this helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, let's find your X username. Open X and log into your account. Once you're on the platform, go to your profile. You can usually do this by clicking your profile picture or selecting profile from the menu. On your profile page, look just below your display name. That's where X shows your username and it will always have the @ symbol in front of it. For example, you might see something like @username. That handle is your X username and you can use it when people search for you or when you log into certain services connected to X. Now, if you're trying to remember the password for your own X account, the next part is about checking your browser's saved passwords. This only works if you previously allowed your browser to save your login details. Let's start with Chrome, since that's one of the most common browsers people use. In Chrome, click the 3 dots in the top right corner, then go to Settings. From there, look for Passwords and Autofill and then open Google Password Manager. Inside the Password Manager, use the search bar and type x.com or twitter.com. If you use the old Twitter login or the current X login, either one may appear in your saved entries. When you see the correct entry, click it to open the saved login details. At this point, Chrome will usually hide the password for security. To reveal it, click the eye icon. If your computer asks for a password, PIN, or biometric confirmation, go ahead and enter that. That step is there to protect your information, so only proceed on your own device. Once confirmed, your saved password will appear and you can copy it or update it if needed. If you don't see anything saved, that usually means your browser never stored the password or you may have used a different browser or device. In that case, the best option is to reset your X password directly from the login screen. That's the safest way to regain access if you've forgotten it and don't have a saved version available. Also, if you're checking this on a shared computer, make sure to log out when you're done and avoid leaving any passwords visible. For better security, it's a good idea to use a password manager and turn on two-factor authentication for your X account. That way, your login is much harder to lose or compromise. So, to recap, your X username is on your profile right below your display name and your saved password can be found in Chrome through Google Password Manager if you previously saved it. If nothing is stored, reset the password through X instead of trying risky methods. If this video helped, please hit like and subscribe and I'll see you in the next tutorial.